Hey, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hope all is well. Back in my old stomping ground, just on Ahua Street, looking at some used car deals. Made a video on some half-ass auto body work jobs that you can see. I didn't go live, but I recorded it. So I'll post those videos later. You guys will be able to see the shit body work a lot of people do around the Hack and Pack area, the Hack and Pack meat shop district of Honolulu. It's kind of sad. It's freaking sad to think about it, because when I did a lot of flipping cars and all of that back in my younger days, I did actual good jobs. I actually did the body work, so if you looked at it, you wouldn't be able to tell. And they're doing the body work so bad over here, it's embarrassing to the auto body people. It's just freaking sickening. Anyway, look how beautiful it is here, guys. I know you're jealous. And oh my God, there are so many hot babes here. It's ridiculous. Everywhere you turn, literally everywhere you turn. I just got in late last night, and if you guys aren't liking the like button, if you guys are not smashing the like button, get off of the video. There's no sense in you watching right now. There's really no sense. Poland, what's up, Poland in the house? I'm in Hawaii. I'll be taking more video of the beautiful beaches, the beautiful women that you guys are gonna see is going to be phenomenal. Anyway, I'm here in Hawaii helping my mom sell a car, helping her buy a new used car. Hello from Mexico, what's up? Oh, it's beautiful here. Guys, it's freaking beautiful here, beautiful. I'm gonna be going to the beach. I just have a little business to take care of. I gotta do a real estate deal. You know, stuff like that. Aloha, aloha, aloha. Check it out. Check it out. Anyway, guys, like the video. I'll be back with new updates and more videos coming soon. All right. Oh, I gotta take some of that stuff out. Good day, Tony, from Philippines, 4 a.m. God, it is 10 o'clock a.m. here, Honolulu time. I'll be back on later with another live stream, maybe tonight. And I'll talk to you guys soon, all right? Have a good day, guys. I used to mess with Samoan girl. She was hot. All right, Daniel. I'll see you guys later, all right? Keep smiling. What's up? Orzek in Poland, 2102. Peace out, guys. Peace out. I'll be back on later. Roshan, I see you, Roshan. I'll be back on later. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Peace.